Okay, students, in the last class, we have seen the basics of some algebraic identities. In today's class, we will solve some important questions based on those formulas. Let's take the first question. It's given evaluate 4x plus y whole square by suitable identity. Let's first write it's given 4x plus y whole square. Now, what does it look like? It looks like simply a plus b whole square, which is equals to what? Which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in this question, let's identify a and b. So what's written in place of a? 4x. In place of b, y. So we'll simply replace the values. So a square will be what? 4x whole square. We have plus 2 into a into b. A is what? 4x. B is what? Y. Plus we have b square, which is y square. So the answer is what? It will be 16x square plus 2 fours are 8xy plus y square. So what will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be the option C, 16x square plus y square plus 8xy. Let's try the next question. In this question, it's given AB equals to 6, A plus B is equal to 5. We need to find the value of A square plus B square. Since it's already given A plus B, we will start the question with A plus B whole square. So what's A plus B whole square? It's simply A square plus B square plus 2ab. Now the value of ab is given, which is what? 5. So we'll write 5 square over here. Then we'll write simply a square plus b square plus 2. What's the value of ab given? That's 6. We'll just simply write 6 in place of ab. Now what will you get from here? 5 square is 25, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 6 are 12. Okay. What will the values of a square plus b square? It will be simply 25 minus 12. Answer is 13. So it's option C. Let's try the next question. So it's given x plus 1 by x equals to 4. We need to find the values of x square plus 1 by x square. Again, we'll continue with the a plus b whole square formula. So here a is x, b is 1 by x. Let's start. So it will be x plus 1 by x whole square, which will be equal to what? X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. Now see, x and 1 by x will get cancelled. Now x plus 1 by x given equals to what? 4. So in place of that, we'll write 4 whole square, and we will write x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. 4 square is what? 16. The 2 comes this side. So 16 minus 2 is equals to x square plus 1 by x square, which is equals to what? 14. Easy. So we'll try one quite similar question like this one. So see, same values are given. Here it's given x plus 1 by x equals to 4. So we already calculated this value, which is what? X square plus 1 by x square was equals to what? 14. Let's check it again. Yeah, it was given 4. We got the value 14. Now we need to go one step ahead. We need to find the values of x to the power 4, 1 by x to the power. Now how can we do that? What if we square this one? Now what are we getting? Again, it's a plus b whole square formula, but the a and b are changing. In this case, the a is what? X to the power 4. The b is what? 1 by x to the power 4. Okay, now if we square it, what are we going to get? We'll get a square plus we will get b square plus 2 into a into b. And 40 square is what? 196. X square gets cancelled. So we got x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 equals to 196. So what will be the answer? X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is 196 minus 2, which is 194. I hope all of you understood this question. Let's try another question. So here it's given x square plus y square equals to 74. Xy is equals to 35. We need to find the values of x plus y and x minus y. So let's start with x plus y. What we'll do? We will simply find x plus y whole square. That's equals to what? That is equals to x square plus y square plus 2x into y. Now let's replace the values. In place of x plus y, okay, we do not have x plus y. So x square plus y square is given, which is 74 plus 2 into xy value is given 35. Okay, now this is equals to what? 74 plus 70, which is 144. So x plus y whole square is 144. So x plus y will be equal to what? Root over 144. So the answer is 12. Easy. Now let's do the same question and find the values of x minus y. So for x minus y, what we'll do, we'll simply do x minus y whole square. So let's do x minus y whole square, which will be equal to what? X square plus y square minus 2xy. So we'll just simply replace the values. X square plus y square is given 74 minus 2 into 35. So what will be the value? 74 minus 70, which is 4. So x minus y whole square is 4. So x minus y will be equal to a root over 4. Answer will be 2. I hope all of you understood. If you have any doubts regarding any of the questions, you can ask me in the comments. Let's see the next question. Yeah, this is a very important question because this is asked in most of the questions. Like they will give you one value and they will ask you use some suitable identities and evaluate the value. So they're not expecting you to do 93 into 93. Okay, they're not expecting you to find the value using this. 93 into 93 is equals to 8649. Now we're going to use the identity and we'll see if we get the same result or not. Okay, so 93 square. So what we're going to do is, can we write 93 as 100 minus 7 whole square? Now what does it look like? It looks like a minus b whole square. So we will use that formula, which was what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So what do we have in place of a? We have 100. In place of b, we have 7 square. Then we have 2 into 100 into 7. 100 square is how much? It is 10,000. This is 49 and this is 14. 100 into 17, sorry, 14 into 100, 1400, which is exactly equals to 8649. You can see, you can solve it and you can find the answer. Easy. So this is how we're going to use the formula a minus b whole square to solve a question like this one where there is a negative sign. Now let's try the next question. In the next question, it's given 12.5 whole square minus 7.5 whole square. Now, which formula does it resemble to? It looks quite similar to the a square minus b square formula. What was the value for that? It was a plus b into a minus b. We're going to do the same thing. So we will write 12.5 plus 7.5 into 12.5 minus 7.5. Now 12.5 minus 7.5 is what? 0.5 gets cancelled. So 12.5 7.5 gets cancelled. 12 minus 5 is 12 minus 7 is 5. 12. Okay. I just did the subtraction. So this value we got as 5. 12.7 plus 12 7.5 will be how much? 0 1 13 plus 7 20. So we got the answer 20 into 5 100. Easy. So I hope all of you understood the questions that we just saw. These are very important questions. So in the next class, we'll take more questions. And if you have any doubts regarding any of the questions and any of the formulas, you can do let me know in the comments. I'll see you students in the next class.